While the kids are sleeping, you could be earning $25 per hour. These 5 companies hire specifically for overnight remote work, and they train you from zero. So it's 2 a.m., everyone else is asleep, the house is quiet, the dog is finally calm, and you're wide awake, scrolling through your phone, thinking, why can't someone just pay me for being nocturnal? Well, good news, someone can. Welcome to the world of overnight remote data entry jobs, real legitimate work-from-home roles designed for people who do their best work when the moon is out. No commute, no small talk by the coffee machine, no awkward birthday parties in the break room, just you, your laptop, and the beautiful silence of 3 a.m. And the best part, most of these roles require zero prior experience. So let's break down 5 of the best overnight data entry jobs for night owls. Number 1. Online Form Entry Specialist. Companies need data transferred from paper documents, emails, or PDFs into their systems, and they need it done around the clock. You're basically a human copy-paste machine. Pays anywhere from $15 to $22 an hour, and most roles are fully remote with flexible overnight shifts. Number 2. Medical Records Data Entry Clerk. Hospitals and healthcare providers don't sleep. Neither does their paperwork. This role involves entering patient information, billing codes, and medical records into digital systems. It sounds intense, but training is usually provided. Pay can go up to $25 an hour, and the demand is massive. Number 3. E-commerce Product Listing Associate. Online stores need thousands of products listed, descriptions, prices, categories, images. Guess who's doing it at midnight? That's right, you. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay are always hiring remote listers. Low barrier to entry, great for beginners. Number 4. Data Verification Analyst. This is where companies send you raw data and you check it for errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. It's like being a nighttime quality control detective, pajama detective. Very prestigious. Entry-level positions start around $18 an hour, and the work is surprisingly satisfying. Number 5. Virtual Administrative Assistant, Data Focus. Some executive somewhere is sleeping right now, completely unaware that their inbox is a disaster and their spreadsheets are a crime scene. Your job? Fix it. Overnight virtual assistants handle data organization, scheduling input, and report formatting. It's one of the highest-paying remote overnight roles on this list, often reaching $30 an hour with experience. Now, here's the thing nobody talks about when you start working nights. Your sleep schedule becomes a creative endeavor. You're sleeping when the world is awake. You're awake when the world is sleeping. Your body starts sending you memos. Strongly worded memos. Specifically, tension headaches, stiff shoulders from hunching over your keyboard at 4 a.m., and a neck that sounds like a bowl of breakfast cereal every time you turn your head. Been there? This is why, and I'm not even joking, I started keeping a good ergonomic lumbar support cushion strapped to my chair like it's part of my uniform. Specifically, I've been using a memory foam lumbar support pillow, the kind designed for people sitting for long hours, which remote night workers absolutely are. It supports your lower back, keeps your posture from turning into a question mark, and genuinely reduces that 5 a.m. my spine is filing a complaint against me feeling. There's a link in the description for the one I personally recommend. It's on Amazon, it's affordable, and if you're going to be grinding through overnight shifts, your back will thank you more than your bank account will. And that's saying something. So to recap, overnight remote data entry jobs are real. They're growing, they pay well, and they're perfect if you've got no experience and a talent for being awake at unreasonable hours. Form entry, medical records, e-commerce listings, data verification, and virtual admin, 5 legit paths to making money while the rest of the world dreams. Your odd schedule. That's not a flaw, that's a feature. Now go get paid for it. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.